Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I was tagged by Niche Crafts to do 23 non-yarny things about me. So let's get started. First, my favorite color. Well, I normally gravitate toward pink, orange, and green, but I guess my favorite color is anything bright. Number 2, my favorite genre music. I gravitate toward hard rock, heavy metal, that kind of thing. Number 3, my favorite food. My favorite meal is roast with potatoes and carrots. Number 4, my favorite soda would be Diet Coke. Number 5, my favorite animal would be a frog, obviously, followed closely by a cat. Number 6, my favorite holiday is Halloween. Number 7, my favorite book or series of books. Well, my favorite book is the Bible. My favorite series of books would be The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. Number 8, my favorite pizza topping. My favorite pizza topping would be cheese with mushrooms. Number 9, my favorite pastime is crocheting and knitting. Number 10, my favorite TV show or TV series. I don't watch TV, so I don't really have one. Number 11, my favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is honeydew melon. Number 12, my favorite vegetable. My favorite vegetable is collard greens. Number 13, my favorite subject when I was in school was math. Number 14, my favorite actor or actress. That would have been Sean Connery. Number 15, my favorite singer. That's a tough one. I guess my favorite singer. I guess my favorite singer would be, I don't know. I don't really have one. So 15, I don't really have one. Number 16, my favorite superhero is my dad. Number 17, my favorite comedian. My favorite comedian is probably my brother. Number 18, my favorite season is winter. Number 19, my favorite movie. My favorite movie would be the Alien series. Number 20, my favorite smell is honeysuckle. Number 21, my best friend is my husband. Number 22, my favorite decade. My favorite decade that I lived through was the 1980s. My favorite decade of all time would be the Victorian era. And number 23, my favorite YouTube channel is my YouTube channel. Now, I would like to tag y.o.h.crochet, Y-O-H crochet, and that is the lovely Anita. And I would also like to tag Elaine Brown. Don't subscribe to her. That's a joke. I will be putting their channels in the description box below. So, I would like to tag both of them. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.